Holly here from Tugger. This video is just to talk you through licensing options for Power BI. It's quite informative and hopefully not too dull. You guys need to know the options available to you, so the answers are here.
Power BI licensing can be individual, existing Office 365 E5 or Microsoft 365 E5, along with purchasing additional capacity or features. There are four main types of license options: Free, Pro, Premium per User or PPU, and Premium per Capacity PPC. As you can see here, Free allows you to create reports for personal consumption. You can only view and edit these published reports yourself using the web browser. This option is suitable for small organisations whom do not want or need the report sharing. Pro is $9.99 per month with 8 data refreshes a day and 10 GB of storage per user. Like the free, but published reports can be shared and viewed or edited by anyone with permissions by yourself. You can use Power BI Mobile, iOS or Android, annotate and share them via email. This is the most common license, and it's suitable for a limited number of users where sharing a consistent view of data is important. Premium per User or PPU is $20 per month with 48 data refreshes per day and 100 TB of storage per user. As per the Pro, with increased capacity and number of refreshes, paginated reports can be created. PPU license allows content to be shared with other PPU users, but only in workspaces which are marked as premium. However, they can view content created by users with other license types. This license is suitable for organisations where a limited number of users require premium capacity and features. Premium per capacity or PPC is from $4,995 with 48 refreshes a day and 100 TB of storage per user. As per the PPU license, PPC is a capacity-based license. The cost depends on the number of nodes detected to your organisation in the Power BI service. All non-pro users can only view privileges. They cannot create reports or grant permissions. This type of license is suitable for organisations with large amounts of data where the total cost of individual pro licenses exceeds $4,995. Other license types are Power BI Report Server for organisations that have their physical hardware within the organisation's own firewall, and Power BI Embedded, which allows the embedding of Power BI visuals into their own website or applications without building a solution from group up. There are 7 licensing scenarios. The first 3 are free, being user wanting to try BI, single user never going to share the report with anyone, or share as a PDF or PPT. A small number of users needing to create or view shared reports is a Pro for each user. A small number of users who need premium features and a number of users who don't is a Premium per User for those that require it and a Pro for all others. A small number of users who need premium features is a Premium per User or a PPU for all. And a small number of users who need to create shared reports and a very large number of users who don't is a single license with additional add-on at $10 for each user who will create reports. For purchasing licenses, you need to check your existing 365 to see if you are already eligible. For Pro and Premium, your Office 365 administrator or directly on Microsoft's website. And for Premium, Report Server or EM is only through Microsoft EA, CSP or WebDirect.
Well, that's it. Now you can choose which option suits your business best. Until the next time, like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.